Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can pretty much turn off your ads on Etsy. So let's get right into it. Now, the only ads that you can turn off are the ones that you pretty much enable on your own. So it's a marketing campaign for your own product, and that's pretty much the only thing that you have access to actually turn off the ads. Now, I'll be using this Help Center documentation simply to show you guys how that is done because I cannot access the Etsy ads option because it requires the shop manager and I don't have all the needed information such as bank account details to put in my shop manager to actually set it up. So I do hope you guys understand, but without further ado, let's get right into it. So pretty much the way that you set this up is you go to your shop manager, go to more, go to marketing, and then Etsy ads, set up your budget and select start advertising. And that should be it. And it is really as easy as that to disable it as well. So you just need to go into your shop manager. On the app, you need to go into more, then select marketing, go into Etsy ads, beneath show more orders, choose pause your ads, and then select turn off ads. And that should be pretty much it. That's literally all you have to do. It is as easy as that. This will pause your ads and then you will be billed until you turn them back on. And other than that, that is pretty much it. Now, if you don't want to turn off your ads, you can just set the daily budget to a minimum of $1, and that should be good enough if you want to keep them up but still want to use the least money possible. But that's a completely different topic. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.